Hi, it's Timo. In the last video, I used ChatGPT to create a job search plan for Laura to become a talent acquisition manager. Let's discuss the beginning of the plan, and that is market research, meaning identify top companies in Finland, especially in the forest industry, that align with her values and career goals. Next, let's use ChatGPT to help Laura start her market research. So, Laura's values are innovation, collaboration, helping people thrive, and personal and professional growth. Laura's career goal is to become a talent acquisition manager. First, I'll give ChatGPT a role, and I have the first prompt ready here. Let's copy paste. You are an experienced career coach. Do you understand? Enter. And for some reason it's thinking a bit. Here comes. Turn out to be cooperative once more. Next, I'll feed it Laura's values and career goal. As told in a minute ago, and then I'll give ChatGPT the prompt. I want you to help her to do the following market research. Identify top companies in Finland, especially in the forest industry, that align with their values and career goals. And here goes. Okay, it's going to visit different websites. I'll actually pause the recording and then let's continue when it has generated ideas and tips. Okay, now ChatGPT has done its work, and yeah, from a point of view, the market research generated by the chatbots looks great and useful. So it listed 4 companies in the forest industry, and it says that these 4 companies could be very good for Laura, very useful for her. Then actually ask it to generate or identify top companies in other industries too. And it has listed 10 other companies, and it says these companies represent a diverse range of sectors from industrial machinery to construction and air services, indicating the varied industrial landscape of Finland. Yeah. So I'll save the ideas and the tips for future reference. In the next video, we'll continue using ChatGPT to do Laura's market research. Thanks for watching.